सर्वमङ्गलमाङ्गल्ये शिवे सर्वार्थसाधिके शरण्ये त्र्यम्बिके देवी नारायणी नमोऽस्तुते। ॐ लक्ष्मीं क्षीरसमुद्रराजतनयां श्रीरङ्गदामेश्वरीं दासीभूतसमस्तदेववनितां लोकैकदीपाङ्कुरां श्रीमन्मन्दकटाक्षलब्धविभव ब्रह्मेन्द्रगङ्गाधरां त्वां त्रैलोक्यकुटुम्बिनीं सरसिजां वन्दे मुकुन्दप्रियाम्। ॐ नमो नारायणाय। ॐ श्रीं श्रीमहालक्ष्मी देव्यै नमः। Embodiment of Divine Souls, Amma's most beloved sweet children, love you so much from the bottom of my heart. Welcome all of you for today Varamahalakshmi Devi festival. Very divine festival, Lakshmi Devi festival. Our total world is running behind Lakshmi Devi. Everybody was working so hard all the time, 24 hours running in the mundane life only for the grace of Mahalakshmi. So for that reason, today we have to do Lakshmi Devi Puja to get the blessings from Mahalakshmi Devi. Very beautiful festival. Divine children, Mahalakshmi Devi comes from the Kshirasagara Madanam. Once Devatas and the Asuras, they did the churning of the Milky Ocean. From the Milky Ocean, innumerable things comes out from the Milky Ocean. Finally, Mahalakshmi Devi comes from the Milky Ocean. With the nectar, Mahalakshmi Devi was very divine. And Mahalakshmi, she called Kshirasagara Kanyaka. And Mahalakshmi Devi came outside of the Milky Ocean and she put the garland around the Mahavishnu and she went to Vaikuntham. Mahalakshmi was respected by Mahavishnu. He gave seed on the heart of Vishnu Bhagavan. Vishnu Vakshasthalalaye. Mahalakshmi was in the heart of Mahavishnu. That much respect God gave to the Divine Mother Lakshmi Devi. Very beautiful. There were so many forms for Mahalakshmi Devi. When mother was giving financially lot of wealth to people, mother is called Dhanalakshmi. All the gloriful respect and everything she gave in the society, so that's why Dhanalakshmi. And then Santanalakshmi, children. Children also Lakshmi. If there is no issues, no, people are so suffering with a lot of pain and they are going to the temples and praying all the time for issues. So here, they like children. Santana Lakshmi is Mahalakshmi's blessing. Children also Mahalakshmi blessing. And then Saurya Lakshmi, the kings and the positions and all those things are very courageousness is also Saurya Lakshmi. And then Vidya Lakshmi, education. Education is very powerful, no? Vidya Lakshmi is nothing but Mahasaraswati Devi. So that's why Vidya Lakshmi is also one of the Lakshmi form. Vijay Lakshmi, victory in the life is Vijay Lakshmi. Dhanya Lakshmi, all the grains, fruits, flowers, food. Mother is grant all the beautiful life for the people, and then the food, no, all the food we are taking, that's Dhanya Lakshmi's blessings. And finally, mother grant gloriful life for people, she called Vaibhava Lakshmi. I just mentioned some of the names, but there were so many names of our Mahalakshmi. Yoga Lakshmi, Dhyana Lakshmi, Jnana Lakshmi, all these are Lakshmi forms. And Yogi. Yogi have the divine aura around him. So the divinity is yoga. His yoga and his meditation is a purity, mainly purity. And then Jnana Lakshmi, the supreme knowledge, is also Mahalakshmi. So how can we get the grace of Mahalakshmi? आर्ता विषन्ना शिथिलाश्च भीताः घोरेषु च व्याधिषु वर्तमानाः संकीर्तनारायणशब्दमात्रं विमुक्तदुःखा सुखिनो भवन्तु. Sankirtanarayanashabdamatram. When we do the Sankirtana for Narayan, Mahalakshmi automatically dwells there itself. Wherever there is Narayan bhajan is going there, Lakshmi dwells there. Lakshmi likes to listen Narayan name. So that's why before doing Mahalakshmi Puja, you have to first do the Narayan Puja. Afterwards, only we have to do the Mahalakshmi Puja. Today, Varamahalakshmi Puja day. What we have to do for Lakshmi? Lakshmi Devi always, we saw in pictures, mother was seated in a lotus. Where is this lotus born? In a dirt pond, mud pond. But the dirt or anything is never going to touch this beautiful lotus. It was very special flower, not for human beings. Human beings never use the flower to put in their hairs and for their decoration. This is a divine celestial flower. Only Lakshmi and Gayatri, divine mothers, they are seated in this beautiful lotus. Lakshmi symbolically seated in the lotus. What is the meaning? No? It is complete knowledge. When the knowledge blossoms like the 1,000-petal lotus, with the grace of Lakshmi, Jnana Lakshmi comes to you. Jnana Prasuna. She is a Jnana Prasuna. Very beautiful name. Divine Mother Mahalakshmi have 4 hands. What is the significance of these 4 hands? Dharma, Artha, Kamya, Moksha. These are the Chaturveda Purusharthas. The Purusharthas are the 4 hands for Mahalakshmi. When you follow, you are adored towards Dharma and adored towards the Purusharthas, your life will become gloriful with the grace of Lakshmi. We have to earn the money in a good manner, in a hard-working way. Not to deceive people, not like that. So these things are very, very essential for Mahalakshmi Devi. Wherever there is always drinking and addictions, no, Mahalakshmi, maybe because of their some merits, sometime dwells in their home. Afterwards, definitely Mahalakshmi give up that home, and finally people have no peace and no happiness. They miss so many things in their life. So definitely children, at least Varalakshmi Vratam day, people have to keep their home very pure, very pure. That day we have to maintain absolute purity in the home. I think you understand what I am speaking. And then you have to put the 8-petal lotus. And then on that lotus we have to place the some rice and then kalasam. And the kalasam, we have to put the rice in the kalasam. Not the water, rice in the kalasam. Suppose if you put the water in the kalasam, after the puja, you have to take all the water to drink yourself. Suppose it is not possible, you have to put the rice in the kalasam and some turmeric bulbs in the kalasam, some coins in the kalasam, and also kajur. Kajur is the dry dates. We have to put that one also. All these are symbolically, and some of the betel nuts. Betel nuts, when we put it, it is going to bring glory to the children's life. They are going to glorifully in education, in their future life. Everything is gloriful for children to put the betel nuts in the kalasam. The rice, what we have to do after the puja? The rice we have to cook the pongal or anything, sweet pongal something, and eat all your family members. So this is what we have to do. Do the puja for the Kalasam, Mahalakshmi Puja. First Narayan Puja with the Tulasi Dalams, and then Lakshmi Puja with the flowers. Whatever the flowers available for you, rose flowers or lotus flowers. Suppose those are not available, we have to do the Kunkam Puja for Lakshmi. Green Kunkam Puja or a red Kunkam Puja. Green Kunkam Puja is very, very auspicious to do Varalakshmi Vratam day, the special puja. So it is very auspicious, Kunkam Puja. It's called the Kubera Lakshmi Kunkam. We called that one, green Kunkam Puja. Very auspicious. So then what I have to offer for Lakshmi Devi? For Lakshmi Devi, the rice pudding with the cooking only in the milk. Offer some cardamom there, cashews, raisins, and whatever the nuts you have to put everything there. And only cook all the rice in the milk only. The cow milk, if you get the organic cow milk, really we appreciate it. What is the significance of cow milk, mother? Children, cow milk is very, 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 very auspicious. When we do the Abhishekam with the cow milk, organic cow milk, the home completely charged with the divine and positive energy. All the negative energy completely deleted from the home. And then when we put the cow ghee lamp, very special, very negative energies and black magic energy, these completely they run away from the home by lit the cow ghee lamp in front of the Kalasam Mahalakshmi. Suppose you have not the opportunity to put the Kalasams and all the things, you have to do Sri Chakra Abhishekam. Lakshmi Narayana Abhishekam you have to do in the Sri Chakram. All the Devatas are in Sri Chakram itself. Milk Abhishekam, Prasadam you have to offer. That day you have to do Samputita Sri Suktam. Thrice a day, morning you have to do, afternoon you have to do, evening you have to do the Lakshmi Astotram. Lakshmi Astotram is very, very important. Everybody in India, without Lakshmi Astotram, Hindu homes, they never eat anything at all. Lakshmi Astotram must be in every home. They are doing that puja because Lakshmi, everybody need Lakshmi. When we call Lakshmi, Lakshmi comes to your home. At least on this Varalakshmi Vratam day, you have to do the Varalakshmi Devi Mahapuja that day. Varalakshmi Devi Puja with the kumkum or the flowers, whatever the flowers available for you, you have to definitely do that and give the Harati and sit there and do the Samputita Sri Suktam recitation one time in the morning time. So this is the process you have to do. Amma special love for all of you. Thank you. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.